Hello everyone. 4. Routines you can try out. First, get their arms out straight on the target, as you see, so it doesn't hit them, so it gets them to concentrate to move out the way.
Workout 1. Practice head movement. Workout 2. Practice blocking.
This will give you good confidence to move and block without getting hits.
Fourth workout, bend their arm little on the target, so they come a bit closer to get comfortable to react and hit the target. This will help to keep your arms out if they get hits with the target.
By hitting the target to them, helps them to read your body movement as they would in a fight. It will help them to react faster, get familiar to read body language. Please say, Masha Allah.
Hope this video helps. And do check my video links, you might find them useful. Do follow, likes if it helps. Take care and see you on the next video.